Okay, let me see. This is my thrift store finding. So I'm trying to get some better storage. I got all these at the thrift store, the Goodwill.
I don't know where we're going.
Alright, I'm going to the Goodwill. I haven't been in here in years. Let's see what they got. I'm trying to find creative storage ideas with no storage in my house. Greetings, guy. Hi, this is Kidis. Welcome to my channel. This is a DIY lesson on how to create your own storage. So if this is something that will be an interest to you, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. What could I use these for? That is not cute. Okay, let me see. This is my thrift store finding. So I'm trying to get some better storage. So I got all these at the thrift store, the Goodwill. Not this one, I had this one already. But I'm gonna spray paint these. Because my goal is to downsize to as minimalistic as possible. So when I am ready to relocate, it will not be that hard. I won't have a lot of extra items to take with me. So I am renting a basement right now, and there's absolutely no storage. There's no closets, no nothing. I had to build everything. So I had to create my own storage space. And it wasn't enough room. It isn't enough room in the bedroom to put any furniture in there outside of a bed and some small storage items. So I had to get creative with it. And I put an armoire in my room and realized that it just was not enough storage. So I needed some place for like things that you would normally put into like a dresser. So I went and found some cute little baskets at thrift stores, and I went to several. And I went to Home Depot. I bought like the paint with the primer already in it because I really didn't want to buy a whole lot of chemicals and what have you. Now, when I started this project, I made sure that I had a nice space in the garage with this what is well ventilated, because you need a well ventilated space to do this. So I was able to open up the garage door, and I was able to leave my items there for a few days, because it took a few days for me to get these baskets painted, dried, and primed. So I did use a top coat as well, but that was just to give like that extra protection so that the paint wouldn't rub off on my clothes, because I'm using these baskets for storage for my clothes. So I did do a top coat as well. So the can has primer. I got it at Home Depot. So it has primer with the color, and I sat that in for one day, and then I painted it a second coat the next day. And I think I had ended up doing it like 3 days. And then the fourth day I did the top coat, and I let those dry for 24 hours each day, so the color would pop and it would be a bright, vibrant red, and it just worked perfect for my little space. And I put it on top of my armoire, and it just looks really cute, and it matches my little storage unit that I have that is black and red as well. So You don't have to spend. I think the entire project, the paint was the most expensive thing. The baskets were under $5 for all those baskets, and the paint, I don't know, maybe $3 for each can. And I got 3 cans, 2 of the red and 1 of the primer. So that was 6, 7, 8, 9, under $10, 10 to $15 to create an entire storage that replaced my dresser unit. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. You have a blessed one. Peace.